6, a once pristine waterway littered with debris. Aluminum roofs, pieces of vinyl siding, all of them remnants and reminders of Hurricane Ian. So volunteers have banded together to clean it all up. They know they won't be able to get everything, but as Fox 13's Kimberly Cuizon reports first tonight, they want to make a difference, and they also want to get others involved as well.
Nearly 5 months after Hurricane Ian, the cleanup continues at Harbor Cove in Northport, both on land and in the water.
Sometimes you can just go along and see a piece and throw a grapple hook out and pull it up.
After fixing damage to his home, Doug Anderson joined other residents in working to clear their canals leading to the Myakka River.
I've been helping pull metal out too, and we have the use of the tractor here, a small tractor.
And some of the debris is just too large and too big for residents to retrieve. And Sarasota Baywatch plans on bringing help this weekend.
It's crazy how much stuff is out there. There's big pieces, 30 feet long by 40 feet wide, sticking 10 feet up in the air.
Volunteers are signing up with Sarasota Baywatch. They'll use kayaks and small boats to clear debris.
It was just a place where you really didn't see hardly any debris. It was a beautiful, clean nature. And now it's got, I wouldn't be surprised if there's 100,000 pounds of debris.
Some items like roofs will be too large for this cleanup, and there are 2 protected areas with bird nestings that will have to be avoided for now.
It's challenging, but in a good way. It's a really nice place that deserves this kind of care.
Yeah, I don't know how we're going to get that out.
Anderson plans on joining in, along with several other residents.
That's great that they can be here and make a difference.
And they hope to get it all eventually.
We'll certainly get thousands of pounds, but it's going to take a long time to get it all.
In Northport, Kimberly Cuizon, Fox 13 News.
So the cleanup happens this weekend. It happens on Saturday, starts at 8:15, bright and early, and they're still looking for volunteers if you can and you want to help out. If you'd like to find out more information, go to our website, fox13news.com.